Okay, I'm going to show you how to view a rubric as a student when it is linked to an assessment. Okay, so here I'm going to view this last attempt. I'm going to click on the waffle, this little square here, and that is indicating a rubric. Here will show my total score. It will show me how many points I earned in each category. And anytime you see a speech bubble, that is something your teacher typed specifically for you. It's not just generic from the rubric. Okay, so if I go back and view another attempt, okay, again, click the rubric little waffle icon, you'll see the total score, you'll see the point value in categories, and then anything that has this speech bubble, again, was a specific comment written by my teacher. Okay, so that's how you check rubrics as a student in assessments.